AppETA is a great jailbreak tweak for denoting the download status of the apps that you download from the App Store. Historically, Apple has not really provided much information with regard to downloads, but this jailbreak tweak allows us to get a lot more detail on pending downloads and current downloads. So you'll find tons of different settings in AppETA's preferences, things that allow you to enable the classic progress bar, own app labels. There's even an alarm section, which is kind of bizarre and out in left field somewhere, but we'll talk about that later. The alert style can be changed between white and dark. I'll show you the alert style a little bit later as well. You also have the progress bar. You can change the colors of those, and then you can also animate it right within the preferences, which is a nice touch, so you can see exactly what it's going to look like when you use it on your home screen here. So I'm going to go ahead and download an app, World of Goo, and you see the app is downloading here. Now watch what happens when I double tap on that application. You get this little overlay that tells you some of the status of your download. You get the status, you get the size, you get the time, the speed even, the developer, and a nice app icon showing the application in question. And then down below you can actually dismiss, go to the app page, or cancel. So if you tap app page, that loads up the page for the app right in the App Store. Of course, we can double tap on it again, and then you can dismiss that overlay, or you can tap the cancel button that will completely cancel the download. So as you can see, that is a lot of information that is given to the user, much more than Apple would even dream of giving you. And we're going to talk about some of the other sections here in AppETA. For instance, the classic progress bar. Let's go ahead and enable that. And I kind of showed you some of that a little bit earlier. We'll also enable the white mode for the overlay, and then we'll change up the color of the progress bar as well. Now it says you may need to respring. I have not needed to respring, but it's probably a good idea to do so anyway. So just for your information. So you see the progress bar, that is the classic progress bar, and that bar is red. Now if I double tap here, the overlay is now white because we switched from dark mode. So I think I don't know which one I like better. I think I like the white mode a little bit better, but of course it's completely up to you which one you want to select. And you can see the little red progress bar in the background there as well that we changed for the classic progress bar. So let's show you some of the other things. Now here's one of the issues that I have with the tweak, the label style. Now the label style allows you to display some information right on the app icon itself. So let me show you what that does here. Let's go back. Let's start that download again. And here's the estimated size for the label. So you can see that it tells you how many bytes have been downloaded and the total size, and you can kind of get an idea of how long it's going to take from that information on the app icon itself. So we're going to cancel this download here. We're going to go back, and I'm going to show you where the problem comes in. When you change the label style to %, you'll notice that the percentage never moves whatsoever. So I'm going to download this app again. And I know I'm being really detailed with this, but I just want you guys to see all the facets of this tweak. You can see that the download is progressing, obviously, and the percentage is staying at 0. So when I double tap even on the app icon, you'll see how much has been downloaded. You see the speed. Obviously, there has been at least 1% downloaded, but it's still showing 0%. So just keep that in mind. That is a slight bug with AppETA. Hopefully, the developer will fix that up here. The last little section I want to talk about here is kind of weird. It is alarm ETA. And basically, this is out in left field somewhere. I don't even know why this was included. I mean, it's a nice touch, I guess, but it basically allows you to have a countdown for your alarm clocks in the stock clock app, which is a little different than apps and really doesn't mesh well with the rest of the tweak, but it doesn't hurt to have it. It's just kind of out in left field. I thought it was kind of bizarre to include something like that. But anyway, if you want to try out AppETA, head over to Cydia's BigBoss repo. There it can be downloaded for 99 cents. It does require iOS 7, and like you saw, AppETA allows you to get much more information on your downloads and your processing downloads. It also has that weird alarm clock section. So check out AppETA and let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. This is Jeff with iDownload Blog.